313 Goff padlock renovation. See the front porch. And the rails are coming off and they're loose. Needs to be repaired. Unit's going to need to be sprayed for bugs. Also have no power to check any appliances. Missing ceiling tiles. Needs to be repaired. Cracked window pane. Needs to be replaced. Several cracked window casings. Needs to be repaired. Unit's going to need to be fully painted. Large crack in the fireplace cover. Needs to be repaired. Small hole in the wall. Bedroom door as well. Wooden floors has scratches and damage and surface scratches, along with stains. Needs to be checked out and repaired. Another hole in the door. Missing light glue. Another cracked window casing. Another cracked window pane. Smoke carbon works. See the wooden ornament? It's missing pieces. Parts of it is coming up. There's also damage to it. Needs to be checked out and replaced. Or repaired. Refrigerator door is broken. Needs to be repaired or replaced. Also got possible mildew stains. Needs to be checked out. Another broken window pane. Stains on the ceilings. Ceilings are going to need to be painted as well. Kitchen countertop at the seam is separated. Needs to be repaired. Back door is getting stuck on the linoleum. Needs to be checked out and repaired. Toilet seat is broken. Needs to be repaired. The toilet is tight. Stains in the bathtub. Stains on the ceilings. Replace all the blinds. It's going to be a total of 8. Either broken, missing, or dirty. Missing smoke detector. Broken light switch cover. Dog cages in the backyard along with wood. Household trash. Needs to be removed. Wooden fencing is dry rotting. It's coming down. Metal fencing is also broken in several spots. It needs to be checked out and repaired. That's about it.